Did you know that complete silence from a neighbor might be the most terrifying sound of all? This Chicago resident learned that the hard way. For 6 months, Marcus lived directly above me in our paper-thin apartment building. I could hear every footstep from the family next door, every conversation from downstairs, every toilet flush from across the hall. But from Marcus, nothing, not a single sound, ever. I tested it, blasted music at midnight, slammed doors, dropped heavy books. Zero response. Security cameras showed him coming and going normally. Other neighbors said he seemed nice enough in passing, but something felt wrong. Then I checked the timestamps on the security footage more carefully. They didn't match up. Marcus had died in a car accident 4 months ago, but someone was still using his keycard, wearing his exact clothes, following his precise daily routine. The silence finally made sense. Whoever was living in Marcus's apartment was practicing every single movement obsessively, terrified of making any sound that might give them away. They'd been perfecting his life while I listened to the sound of nothing above my head.